video is done and posted. Rebuild video is done and posted. This KTM 450 is on its third engine rebuild. Single ring pistons are just kind of crap. They don't have a whole lot of durability to them. We went through new crank bearings, complete engine rebuild, top end, bottom end. Put it back in the trike, get everything all adjusted nice. Engine looks good and pretty. Throw it back in the trike, get everything all dialed in, set up, put it through a couple of heat cycles. Thing sounds really nice, very crispy. We did change the intake a little bit. It had a piece on it that had a hard corner in it. We got rid of the hard corner and gave it a straight shot to the carburetor. Made throttle response a lot faster. Can't have hard corners in intake. It really messes things up. So the straighter off the carburetor you can get it, the better off you will be. Battery was dead, so we put a little jump battery on there. This is electric start and kick start. This is a street legal supermoto converted to a three-wheeler. Lots of fun. Hell of a build. And this thing is gnarly. Tony was really happy with how she runs, how responsive she is. Hit that subscribe button. Comments are always appreciated and welcome. Watch these videos all the way through. We got thousands of videos on the channel. Check them out. We'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video and short little ride clip. Have a great day, everybody. I'll see you in the next one. This is also the one that's got the recluse clutch. You see it's in gear, it's not rolling, no hand on the clutch, gives it a little bit of gas, it rolls again. That is the cool thing about a recluse clutch. It's like a centrifugal clutch, but you can still use the clutch lever. Awesome little addition for something that's not really needed, but hey, when it tips over, it stays running. Extra bonus, don't have to restart it. 450s are not always fun to start once they are hot.